In this video, you're going to learn how to forward message from Telegram to Discord. You can see on the right that when I receive a message on this channel, it will be forwarded to my own Discord. You can also forward image. You don't need to add any bots on this channel. You don't need to be the owner or be an administrator.
Now let's learn how to set up forwarding. Go to ForwardMsg.com. Click on Get Started. Then click the button to create a new automation. Give your automation a name, like Telegram to Discord. Select Telegram as the source of the messages. Choose Discord as the destination. Now click Create. On your automation settings page, we need to add your Telegram account. Click Add Telegram account. Give your account a name, then fill with your Telegram account data. To get this data, you can check our video tutorial or the documentation page. I already have an account added, so I'll just select it. Then click Update Settings to save. Now we can press Start to launch the automation. While it starts, I'll show you which chats I want to forward messages from. Just a reminder, you don't need to be the chat owner. You don't need to add a bot to the chat. You also don't need to be an administrator. I'll forward messages from these betting channels. And this Dex paid channel, I'm not the owner of any of these channels. I will forward the messages to this channel on Discord, Dex paid, and also to this channel Pump Trending. The automation is now running. If you run into any issues, contact our support on Telegram. Let's scroll down the page and select the chats you want to forward from. You can choose as many chats as you want. You only need to select topics if the chat is a group with topics. Next, we need to configure where the messages will be forwarded to. Under Forward to, click Add Forward to. Select a Discord bot. Don't worry, this bot will only be added to the destination, not the source server. To add one, click Add Discord bot. We have a video tutorial and a documentation page to help you create a bot. I'll choose a bot I've already added. Now we need to select the Discord chat where the messages should go. You can find this Discord chat ID in our tutorial or documentation as well. I already have 2 destination chats added, so I'll forward to both of them. Now let's save the changes. That's it. The forwarding is fully set up. Let's test it. Now we need to wait for this channel to post a message. This channel was the first to post a message. We can see that the messages were forwarded to my chats at Discord with text and image. Let's wait for another channel to post a message. There we go. We've got new messages at my chats. Let's customize the forwarded message by removing the author. You can adjust the forwarded content however you like. You can customize the forwarded message by including the chat name, author name, and even adding a header or footer, like an affiliate link. Let's save and try again. Here it is. We've got the original content with my custom footer. If you want to organize messages by server and route each one to different channels, you can do that too. Let's set it up. First, remove the current global forward to setting. Then save the changes. Now, from the chat list, click Edit on the Dex Paid Alerts channel. Find the Forward to field in the server settings. Select the bot and destination channel. Save your changes. Next, to save time, I'm going to change the general Forward to field and forward to Pump Trading text channel on Discord. Save your changes. Perfect. Everything is now set up, and you don't need to restart the automation. Let's test it again. Let's check if the messages went to the correct channels. Awesome. Everything worked perfectly. That's it. Super simple. If you need help, reach out to us on Telegram support. You can also use ForwardMsg to forward to other platforms too. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and see you next time.